start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is pink color. Here is blue color. Here is green color. The fourth one is parrot color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, and the last one is red color. Now let's color the frog. What sound does a frog make? A frog says, how many frogs can you see on the screen? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 frogs.